A personal trainer reveals the crucial do's and don'ts for sculpting the butt you want when it comes to training your buttocks. The rule more are many is not really true. Instead, you can do certain things to get a better effect and a lasting effect on those muscles. Brett Contreras, Ph.D. in sport sciences, gives recommendations on how to activate the glutes and get the results that keep you going. They can sit and squat every day, but still cannot move forward. It's a common problem, says Contreras. Genetics play an important role in the size of your buttocks, but it also says that even people who do not have strong buttocks can radically transform these muscles by training properly. Some tips can help you improve your buttocks. 1. Master the mind-muscle connection. Regardless of the difficulty of your training, the actual result will be obtained after establishing a mind-muscle connection. This is crucial for training the gluteal muscles because many women do not feel this muscle. For best performance, a series of 3 to 5 maximal contractions of the buttock of 10 seconds each must be performed. Over time, our brain becomes accustomed to activate the glutes and eventually becomes automatic. 2. Work your muscles to fatigue. The use of light weights for 20 to 25 repetitions is not very effective in shaping muscles in relation to heavier weightlifting for fewer repetitions. Training your muscles should be a challenge for you, says Contreras. Performing each exercise 8 to 10 times for 4 to 5 sets is much more effective, especially if you gradually increase your weight until you reach muscle fatigue at the end of the session. 3. Target different gluteal regions. The lifts, squats and lunges are excellent, but these exercises mainly affect our lower glutes and release the upper gluteal muscles. So, if you want to get better results, you have to target different areas of the buttock muscle. For example, the bar can activate the gluteus maxim much better than the squat, especially at the top. 4. Start doing barbell hip thrusts. Many people think that it is enough to squat to build the chains of his dreams. However, this step is boring and it is unlikely that you will achieve the desired results. According to Brett Contreras, variations in hip pushing exercises are the most effective way to achieve a high level of muscle activation. 5. Don't neglect your legs. Working on the thighs and quads will give your legs a better shape, including glutes. Weighted squats to train the quads and hamstrings can be very helpful. Any change in the deadlift can result in hamstrings with squats jumps and box jumps. Together, this will increase your overall muscle strength. 6. Do more than just squat. Well, life would certainly be a lot easier if we just had to do a physical exercise to solve our problems and get a bigger shot. In other words, if something seems too good to be true, it usually is. So, if you want your glutes to bloom, you just have to squat. Many testimonials have proven that incorporating more variety has helped her buttocks to take the shape they always wanted. 7. Don't train your glutes 3 to 5 days a week. There is a common myth that exercising more often speeds up the growth of your muscles and produces better results. But in reality, overtraining can only lead to unnecessary pain and discomfort. In addition, our muscles need to recover, which is very important to strengthen the gluteal muscles. 8. Don't expect the results too fast. This may seem pretty obvious, but many people ignore this advice and give up early before reaching what they hoped for. Our muscles need time to get used to lifting, crouching and falling. Some may see significant changes in a month, but most people need 2 months to see results, and only after 3 months do they see a big change. It all depends on the person. 9. Don't think of yoga as a good butt workout. The same applies to kickboxing, Pilates and long distances. According to Contreras, none of these exercises develops the gluteal muscles in the same way as bodybuilding. Your gluteal muscles are incredibly strong at first, and you have to work hard to train them, he says. The best way to do this is to lift weights. 10. Have a plan. If your goal is to strengthen your gluteal muscles and you take it seriously, you definitely need a plan. The key to strengthening and training the muscles of the buttock is to challenge your muscles and gain more and more weight over time. So knowing exactly what exercises you are doing and how many reps and sets you want to do can help you focus more easily and achieve better results. 11. Dial down the cardio. Cardiovascular workouts are a great way to improve the overall shape of your body, but at some point, they can counteract muscle gains. As Contreras says, if you train for a marathon, you will not be able to work your butt together at the same time. Would you like to add something to these helpful tips? Or do you have any useful recommendations that are not listed above? Do not hesitate to inform us.